What city has the most fountains? Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and I love living in Kansas City. And Italy is one of my favorite places to travel. So I find it very interesting that Kansas City has more fountains than any other city except for Rome. Now, some people say that that may no longer be true. However, that is how Kansas City was nicknamed the City of Fountains. Per Visit KC website, these fountains were originally just for practicality, being used for troughs and drinking basins for the horses passing by during the 1890s. Now Kansas City has 200 registered fountains. Some are ornate, some simple, some playful, while others are very elegant and stately. If you're interested to learn more about our City of Fountains, go to www.cityoffountains.org and make sure to subscribe here as well for more of our Kansas City favorite neighborhoods and restaurants that we'll be sharing soon.